North side, fully shutty, yet a sharp stick. Her she wasn't lame.
Hi guys, it's currently 8:59. Welcome to a summer day in my life.
Girl, it's been too long. Clock done fell off the wall. Been out here writing songs. Where the hell did the time go? Take on my passions with pain, but would you do the same? I'm going so insane, thinking about where you and I go. Freaky seems like.
Okay. First of all, we're gonna connect the keys back to the keychain.
Like forever when you sit and think about it. I put my heart out on my sleeve, but I can't live without it. Baby, we can't keep melting like gelato. Too much time by the pool back at your condo. Sunshine's made for chillin', that's the motto. Do we really wanna take it there? I scream, you scream, we can never play it fair. Thought you're on my team, don't you ever dare bench me, cause you know I'm your favorite player. If you wanna, we can take it there. Summer nights, you're my favorite girl. We can face the world, we stay up until the sunrise. Sometimes you get angrier, things get dangerous. Can't get up and get on my ride. Freaky seems like forever when you sit and think about it. I put my heart out on my sleeve, but I can't live without it. Baby, we can't keep melting like gelato. Too much time by the pool back at your condo. Sunshine's made for chillin', that's the motto. Do we really wanna take it there? I scream, you scream, we can never play it fair.
Okay, parents, white parents, never hold on to their kids. So, they said,
I was trying to get out with my car and I was about to truck this little kid.
I thought you're on my team, don't you ever dare bench me, cause you know I'm your favorite player. If you wanna, we can take it.
fit check.
1 second. It's the same thing I wore to Zach's house the other day. Princess Polly, American Eagle, and then St. Christopher Protect Us thingamajigger. I just think it's really cute. And it matches like perfectly. Final fit check. I'm bringing this Billabong bag with like everything I normally bring, and I also just put like braids at like the front of my hair, so it looks like I actually did something to my hair for once. Yeah, a little bit nice, but okay.
Yeah,